Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the missing time and date in the system tray on Windows 11. Let's go start. Open the Start menu, type in Battery, and select Run as Administrator. Open the new interface. Then click Power Mode on the right side. Check the Any option. Plugged-in option is Select Balanced. Almost OK all settings. Open the Start menu, type in Run, and select Run and click it. Type here services.msc under Run box and OK click. Find the Power option under the List menu. Right-click on Power and select Properties from Menu option. And select Automatic, then OK. Go to this PC, right-click on this PC and select Manage from Menu option. Device Manager under Computer Management Local Group. On the right side, Batteries. Right-click on Microsoft AC Adapter, select Enable Device from the Menu option. Enable to Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.